Hey everyone, the error cannot find symbol simply means the compiler cannot find a reference to an identifier, usually due to a typo or just reference to something that does not exist. For example, in this scenario, I have a typo in class name. I use products instead of product. That is why the compiler cannot find it. The class name should be product. It is a simple fix. You just need to use the correct identifier. In this case, rename it to product. Save it and recompile. And there you go, no compilation error. You might encounter this error as well in variables. Let me show you. Say you will print this variable in console or terminal. Let's compile and see. Alright, you got the error as well. Because variable result was not declared yet. To fix that, let's declare the variable and let's assign a value while we're at it. Assign it a string and with value hello world. Save it and compile. See, no error. Now run it. It runs successfully without error. We got our hello world. Alright, thank you for watching.